Alright, here's another little add-on we got for the television in our Roadtrek camper. Now you can use these indoors, but what we was thinking about is we like to watch YouTube and stream it off our television. And the camper television can't do that. It's not a smart TV. But by adding this unit to the television, it should make it a smart television, so that whenever we want to watch, you can use it for Hulu, Netflix, you can use it for YouTube, all these things that's on the smart TV, this should pick it up. So we're going to add this to the television. We thought about replacing the television and get a new one. So these are a lot cheaper than a new television. And the one we got fits in perfect, works on 12 volts. So we're going to open this up here. This has a HDMI, and also you can use the RCA plugs, and you connect it to the internet for the Roku. Shows you a little bit more information on it. All you need to stream, nothing you don't. So it should work out. It also has a voice search on mobile app. You can get thousands of channels. It's 1080p HD, easy setup. You can get movies, stream thousands of movies and TV episodes. So what's included in the kit here is the Roku Express streaming player, the Roku with preset channel shortcuts buttons. There's two AAA batteries, a high-speed HDMI cable, composite cable, USB power cable, and a power adapter. So let's open this up and just see what we do have in here. Just slice this open here and see what's inside the box. Kinds of gadgets. And that's pretty much it. What you see here is we have the remote control. This is the Roku unit itself. This is a port for the AC adapter. Now I'm hoping to be able to use this. The TV has a USB port on it, and I'm hoping to be able to just use that to power this instead of running it to power. This way I won't have to use any AC when we're out boondocking, where we don't have power hooked up to the shore. We have solar in the camper, and we can actually run the television in this unit on a 12 volt system. It's got a quick start guide. We'll go over that. It's got a sticker. I love my Roku. We'll know once we use it for a little bit. A little bit of legal information here. It comes along with, this is a cord, which is a standard USB cord. It's got another cord here, which again, this looks like this is a HDMI cord, so you can hook it in. And then in this other section here, we've got the old style, I call this. This is the standard, I call these RCA plugs. You have your yellow one is your video input, and your white and red one is your audio output or input. So that's what's in the box. We're going to go ahead and try to hook this up and see if we can get this to work on the television and use it for streaming TV shows. Alright guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to hook up this Roku television. This is the Roku system. It's the this is the actual unit itself here. Now this needs to have an HDMI cable that inputs to the television. It also needs some power. We're hoping to get the power. There's a USB port on this television here, so we're hoping to get the power from that input there. So we're going to get our cords out here. So the first cord I'm going to get going out here is this. This is the cord that we can gain our power from. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in to the HDMI or to the USB socket right here. And then we're just have to plug this in to this unit here. This is telling me here at the front of it, point remote here, so we'll need to take that off, and we'll have to mount this. This comes with some sticky tape that you can mount to the top. So the first thing we're going to do is get this hooked into the HDMI. They come with a nice HDMI cable here. Let's get that all prepared. It's got some protection caps. We're going to remove those. All right up here is an HDMI input. Right in this. This is number 1. Now you want to remember number 1 for the simple fact that when you go to your menu on the television, you'll want to stream it from number 1. So now that's basically all it's going to take here to hook this up. We're going to use some double-sided tape, probably mount this right up here on top, and then we'll clean these cables up. But in order to test it right now, we're going to kind of leave it loose to let it go from there. So that's step number 1 to hooking it up. Very simple, as you can see. All right, we've turned the television around now. And so what we're going to do next here is I'm going to turn the TV on. And we want to see if this powers up. So there should be a blue light come on when I turn the TV on. There it is, down here in the corner. So the television should be powered up at this point. And as you can see, the television is coming on. Now what we want to do is go to our menu. All right, guys, it's the source. We just hit the source on the button here. And then we want to do HDMI 1. And so that's the one. Now we're going to go ahead and take the unit. There it is. Let's start it. It's already working on it. So as we set this up, as you can see, it's going to say English. So we're going to hit English. Now it's looking for wireless networks. And there's my wireless here. Now this is, we're collecting this off of the house. So we're going to use that wireless. Now we have to set the password. So we're going to go ahead and set the password up first. Okay, so we're making the connection to our wireless network and then hooked up to the internet. So we'll hit the OK button. This might take a minute or two for it to find our connection here. Checking for new software updates, so it's connected now. And now your Roku player will get the latest software. Once the update's installed, it will start automatically. So let's hit the OK button. All right, so now your Roku player is going to automatically restart after it updates the software. So we're going to go ahead and let it do that. Okay, guys, we neatly wired these wires here to the back. That had a little strip here. I might get some more zip ties and maybe even zip tied a little bit neater here, but you can see I got it all nicely wired up. We've hooked into the USB device over here to the HDMI out input to power it. So we're all set here. Let's flip it around here. It was doing an update. All right, guys, we have our screen finally. We're here. Let's see what's over on here. These are the ones that it's added. First thing we're going to look for and see if we can find YouTube. That's one of my favorites. All right, guys, we found YouTube. We're going to go ahead and install YouTube on here. Add channel. Okay, so we have to put our pin in here. So it's going to go ahead and add the YouTube here. It takes it a few minutes here to get that all set up. All right, guys, you can see we've got the set up in YouTube. Let's see if we can find one of our own channels, one of our own videos, and see what we can do. See my videos. All right, this was the bear video. Let's just hit on the, we did this video on setting up a lighting studio. And so let's just see how that'll stream through here. There we go, it's working. received this package today, and what I've done is ordered a lighting system and a backdrop cool? To use to make some videos in that. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. All right, so this is the main screen. If you can see at the top here, we have our YouTube app. And we click on the YouTube app, and it takes it a second to populate the screen. As we wait for that to come up here, there's YouTube. And we're just going to go into our own lucky dog. And now we can just go through and try the different channels. Any of the ones that I have in there will show up. We can go up here and let's go to my videos, and here's a little peek of one that's not out yet, but we have it ready to go. We took a tour of Daytona Speedway. Hey guys, today we're at Daytona International Speedway. We're gonna take a little walk around. I want to show you a few things around the Speedway. It's a little cloudy day today, but hey, follow along. We're gonna visit. So there we go, guys. It's all set up. We want to do any of our watch any YouTube stuff. We can watch any of the other stuff. We can hit the home button, hit the let it populate, go back. So we have all kinds of things, Hulu and that. But our main goal was to go ahead and set this up and have it hooked up for a 12-volt system. When you're out in your RV, sometimes you just want to watch some TV, and maybe you don't want to just watch what's on the air, and you can use Roku. Now you'll need a Wi-Fi hookup. If you have a phone, you can hotspot it right off your phone and get your streaming available to you. But that was our main thing, to work on a 12-volt, and it worked fine by just plugging it into the USB. What you'll be needing will be a 12-volt TV with a USB jack on the back. A lot of them already have that. And then you can hook up the Roku right to it and go ahead and stream your TV right in your RV. I thought this was a pretty cool little add-on. We put it in our Roadtrek. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below. Hey, give us a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell. You'll be notified of new videos we come up. We do Roadtrek videos. We do camping videos. We do how-to videos. We do a cooking channel. We do parks and cities. But we also do some live chats twice a week, every Monday at 6 p.m. and every Thursday at 8 a.m. And we talk about all kinds of things, anyways, from camping to you name it. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. We'll see you the next time. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs, or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.